Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're here with another 3 looks 1 palette video featuring the Jeffree Star mini Jawbreaker palette. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. So as a reminder, basically what the rules are is I'm doing 3 different eyeshadow looks featuring only this palette. I'm not reinforcing the look with any other eyeshadows or highlighters or any other face products. This palette alone. 3 different looks. If this is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. Alright, so here is the 3rd and final look. Wow. Was not ready for rainbow, but I had no choice. So yeah, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini Jawbreaker palette. This has been an interesting adventure. I actually like the orange and the pink a lot better than I originally thought, because like I went into this today going like, fuck, I don't really, whatever. Yeah, definitely an interesting challenge, this one. I think it worked out pretty well. Haha. Anyway, a spoiler alert for the next one. This is the Morphe 9C palette. This one might be a little difficult to work with, but because anytime I dip into this, it's usually with other palettes. So getting 3 different looks with this one, ha ha ha. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.